Hey Crossroads, here's another quick tutorial video for our X32 board. So if you want to adjust the volume of a channel, all you have to do is find that channel on the board. So they're broke up into layers. On this first layer here, channel 1 through 8 are all the microphones, and they're labeled here in what they call a scribble strip. If you need to adjust an instrument, they're in the second layer here. You hit this button, and then it shows you which instrument you're adjusting. The CD player is in auxiliary in 1 through 6 here. You can see, and you can actually see some signal coming through on these CD channels. So I'm going to adjust that volume. I'm going to unmute it first because when that red light's on, it's muted. So I unmute it. You can hear some sound there. If you need it louder, you push the slide up. To turn it down, just the opposite. There you go.